First, dude, I'm gonna start off by showing the fat rides that we got.
Oh yeah.
Dude, is this your Fiat Fire right here?
It's automatic. Oh, yeah. This is our Fiat Fire.
Why don't we talk about the
where it's at, dude?
Why don't we talk about the
power steering?
the type of options that come with a car like this?
They're numerous. They're plentiful, dude.
Let's get a view from the front of these Fiat Fires that we're rocking. It does have air conditioning.
Yours does. Ours doesn't.
You don't have AC in there? The window's cranked the opposite way too.
I know.
That'll throw you off a little bit.
Isn't that funny?
So here's our two rides. There's one Fiat Fire, and there's the other. But here's why we are here. Here is the house that we are. This is it, guys. It is struggling.
Are you kidding me,
Dude. I mean, can a camera even do this justice right now? What's going on in there?
No. This is unexplainable.
So we're going to go inside.
I don't even know how you live in these conditions, dude.
Americanos, you have nothing to complain about. We're going to go inside. So this is the entrance, the door. You have to grab this plastic bag here to... Hey! Alright. So we're going to go to the porch. Porch area. It's Jay Sully, Jaime, JR, Megan. Hola. So this is the porch.
We got it.
Here's the roof that we're going to be working on.
How are we going to do that? How are we going to pitch it?
We're just going to go a little higher on this side and we should be fine.
Just raise the stick every
Well,
time.
we'll just raise our connections. Yeah, exactly right. But we're going to put...
We're going to go inside. We're going inside. Give you the tour. Here we go. Get me in here, Johnson. Here we go. Indoors.
¿Cuántas iglesias evangélicas aquí?
Hay varias.
Okay. So, ¿son grandes o son...?
Here comes the bedroom. This is it, guys. And plastic, gaps, the beds, trash bags, the roof, cardboard. Struggling. The closet, I guess. I guess this is the closet right here. Ooh. Go back out to the main room.
With the Prosperity Church.
Jehovah's Witness.
There's Jehovah's Witnesses, the Mormons are here.
Carmen.
And the Catholic Church.
Julia. Kirby.
So, ¿pueden bautizar en la iglesia católica originalmente o no? ¿Ustedes?
No, nosotros con Pastor Jaime.
Okay. So, antes tú católica y yo también. Mi madre era católica. So, esta es una puerta abierta para nosotros a comunicar y compartir el mensaje de la sociedad. Tenemos...
Hook me up here, Johnson. Thanks, buddy. Jaime? Hold me open, Megan. Oh, yeah.
That is usually a wall, isn't it?
This is really sad.
What do you think about those conditions, Sully?
Workable.
Workable?
Yep.
Can we make that nice?
We will make it nice.
Can we make that look like high-grade Sullinger home?
At least to the standards of John Halterman. I know if we can accomplish that.
Those aren't high standards.
Well, no stalactites in the backyard.
That's
but
right.
Besides that,
We're going to do our best.
we are.
I like it.
Put in a new door.
Say goodbye to the Fiat Fire.